we discuss fifth question from exercise 11.3 trigonometry chapter. So what is the question is given? If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan A plus B whole by 2 equals to cot C by 2. Okay. So what is the given condition? A, B, C are interior angles of a right angle triangle. Okay, why? Because trigonometry ratios are given. So now we can take exactly right angle triangle. Now solution part is A, B and C are interior angles of a right angle triangle ABC. Then angle sum property, that means angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. Now we can write A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. Clear? Now what is to be shown that tan A plus B whole by 2 equals to cot C by 2. Now first two terms are A plus B. Now we can write this term is A plus B whole by 2. Now dividing on both sides by 2. Why? Because these are denominators are given to be 2. So we divide A plus B plus C equals to 180 on dividing on both sides by 2. Now it will be therefore A plus B plus C whole by 2 equals to 180 degrees. Now we have to change into two quotients. Why? Because we have to show that tan A plus B whole by 2. Similarly, we can write A plus B whole by 2 plus C by 2 equals to, this is 90 degrees. Okay. Why? Because these are like terms. Now A plus B whole by 2 equals to 90 degrees plus C by 2 transpose to RHS, it will be minus C by 2. So what is to be proved? Tan A plus B whole by 2 equals to cot C by 2. Now we take on either side by tan. Clear? So now these terms are can be written as tan A plus B whole by 2 equals to tan 90 degrees minus C by 2. Clear? Tan A plus B whole by 2 equals to, now it is in the form of tan 90 degrees minus theta can be written as cot theta. Clear? Tan 90 minus theta can be written as cot theta. Now it is in the form of tan 90 minus theta. The replace theta by C by 2. Now tan 90 minus C by 2 can be written as cot C by 2. So I have the same value. Okay. That is answer showed. Okay, this is the fifth question. So once again, so ABC are interior angles of a right angle triangle ABC. By using angle sum property, that is A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. According to given data, the denominators are having 2. Now divide on both sides by 2 of the equation. We can write A plus B plus C whole by 2 equals to 180 by 2. Now this is the A plus B whole by 2 is given. Now we have to divide according to data. A plus B whole by 2. Now we can write A plus B whole by 2 plus C by 2. Now these are called liked fractions. Now similarly 180 by 2 it will be 90 degrees. So A plus B whole by 2 plus C by 2 transpose to RHS, it will be 90 degrees minus C by 2. Now what is the given? We have to show that tan A plus B whole by 2 equals to cot C by 2. Now we can take on either side by of the equation by tan. Tan A plus B whole by 2 equals to tan 90 degrees minus C by 2. Now tan a plus b whole by 2 equals to, now it is in the form of tan 90 degrees minus theta can be written as cot theta. The replace theta by c by 2. Now it is in the form of tan 90 degrees minus c by 2. Now we can write tan c by 2. Hence proved. Clear? This is the fifth question is completed. Now we are going to the last question of exercise 11.3. Okay. Now going on sixth question. Now the sixth question is express sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Okay, this is the last question of exercise 11.3. So the condition is express sine 75 plus cos 65 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. So angles are given to be 75 degrees and 65 degrees. Now these are lies between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Now the solution for is sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. Now we have to change both ratios, that is sine and cos. So sine you have to change into sine 75 and also cos 65. So that is equal, sine 75 can be written as sine 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. Clear? 90 minus 15 it will be 75 degrees plus cos 65 can be written as cos 90 degrees minus how much? 25 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees minus 25 degrees is 65 degrees. Okay, now these are, it is in the form of sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 degrees minus theta can be written as cos theta. Clear? Now it is in the form of cos 90 degrees minus theta can be written as sin theta. Okay. You have to observe that it is in the form of sin 90 minus theta. Now cos 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta. Now the replace theta by 15. Now we can write cos 15 degrees plus this is cos 90 degrees minus 25 can be written as, it is in the form of cos 90 degrees minus theta can be written as sin theta. Now the replace theta by 25. Now cos 90 degrees minus 25 can be written as sin 25 degrees. Now the angles are lies between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. So 15 degrees lies between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. 25 degrees also 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Now exercise 11.3 completed. Okay. So మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, ఇమీడియట్గా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఇమీడియట్గా మీకు ప్రతి సొల్యూషన్ పార్ట్ కూడా మీకు వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇమీడియట్గా లైక్ చేయండి, వెంటనే మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసేయండి. ఓకే, సో థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్. హ్యావ్ ఏ నైస్ డే.